Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. As the first postulate of kinetic theory of gases is a finite volume of a container contains very large number of particles. Here the particles can be considered the molecules of gas. This means that the small volume is also contains a very large number of molecules, as we see in this picture and diagram. The x-axis, y and z-axis, we have a cubic container which has a volume of L cube. The separation, the volume, a finite volume has a very large number of molecules. And the second postulate is the separation between the molecules is much larger than size of molecule. As we see in this diagram, the separation between the molecules is much larger than the size of the molecule. The third postulate, the molecules are moving randomly, and if they move randomly, they will collide with each other and their collision will be perfectly elastic. Motion of molecules is random, and if they move randomly, then they will collide, and collision between molecules is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means the initial momentum of the particle is equal to the final momentum of particle, or the initial momentum of the system is equal to the final momentum of a system. The next postulate is the molecules exert no force on each other because they have very small size and the separation between the molecules is much larger. The separation is much larger, and the distance is very large, and their mass is very small. According to the Newton's gravitational law, the F is equal to capital G small m1 m2 divided by r square. Their masses are too small and the distance is very large, then the force is very small, and this force is approximately equal to 0. They exert no force on each other except when they collide. When they collide, they exert the force on each other. They exert no force on each other except when they collide. Thanks for watching.